Just a week after Cyclone Phelan struck the eastern coast, Srikakulam in Andhra Pradesh remains at the receiving end of nature's fury, with heavy rains damaging crops, destroying homes and displacing over 50,000 people. Here's a Times Now ground report from the area.
Hardly 2 weeks have lapsed since Cyclone Phelan left its devastating imprint on the eastern coast of India. But nature continues to wreak havoc in the coastal districts of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. The northeast monsoon lashing with all its fury on the cyclone-ravaged states, causing severe floods and cutting off all transport routes. In the Srikakulam district of Andhra Pradesh, rivers Nagavali, Vamsidhara and Bahuda are already hovering dangerously close to the danger mark, with heavy downpour in the catchment areas and breaches in tanks and canals, rendering over 50,000 people homeless.
We are having around 53 villages which are marooned, but where our officers are there and we are keeping stock of the situation. We have ensured that adequate provisions are kept in all these villages and all the ration shops are stocked with monthly provisions.
4 NDRF teams have been dispatched to remote parts of northern Srikakulam for rescue operations. But reports suggest that nearly 600 villages across the district are still inaccessible.
Even as the Met Department forecasts heavy rains due to the northeast monsoon over the next couple of days, water levels in rivers here in Srikakulam are already running dangerously high and have marooned over 53 villages in the district. Even as the district administration braces itself for more rains and with it more floods, rescue and rehabilitation camps have been set up in most villages across Srikakulam district.
Yet authorities claim that the worst has still not passed. The situation for the next 48 hours increasingly crucial, but the forecast equally bleak. Bureau Report, Times Now.